The best is yet.
Keep going. Right foot, quick, quick, left foot. Quick, quick, right foot, quick, quick, slow, and stop there. Folks, when you take a step forward in any of the patterns that we taught tonight, it's on the heel of your foot, just like you're walking down the street. All right, one more time. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Offer the hands.
Quick, quick, small steps. Here we go, twinkle, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Catch it. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, keep going. Quick, quick, slow. Offer your hand to her, and you're on your way. Ladies, rotate, please. That was good. Here we go.
The best is yet.